Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best camping wagon is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast looking to transport their equipment with ease, whether you're heading to a campsite, a music festival, or even just a day at the park, making your adventures more enjoyable and less strenuous. Number 5. Mack Sports Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. Introducing a wagon with a large capacity, perfect for all your needs. It opens up in seconds with no assembly required, making it incredibly convenient. When not in use, it folds down to a mere 8 inches thick for compact storage. It even comes with a protective cover to keep it clean. This wagon boasts a heavy-duty frame capable of carrying up to 150 pounds. The durable fabric is also easy to clean, ensuring it lasts. It features an adjustable handle for effortless transport. Plus, a rear folding table with 2 cup holders adds extra functionality. It's perfect for hauling gear to sporting events, concerts, or park trips. It's also great for use around the house, making any task easier. What we like. This wagon features a built-in folding table and cup holders, making it perfect for outdoor events. If you're attending sporting events or concerts and want a convenient spot to place drinks or snacks, this is the one for you. It offers a spacious interior for all your gear. What people say. This wagon is perfect for hauling gear to the campsite. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle rough terrain. Number 4. Timber Ridge Collapsible Outdoor Folding Wagon Cart. This wagon is built with a strong steel frame, offering a large loading capacity of up to 225 pounds. Its spacious interior provides plenty of room for all your items. It features a large side pocket and 2 cup holders, giving you about 20% more storage than other wagons. Keep your drinks and essentials within easy reach. No assembly is needed. It sets up in seconds with a simple push of the bottom. When folded, it's compact and easy to store in your trunk or closet. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to the 360 degrees rotating front wheels. It moves smoothly whether you're camping, shopping, or gardening. The adjustable handle ensures a comfortable experience for users of all heights. Simply adjust it to your preferred position. Every product is crafted with care and backed by our commitment to your satisfaction. We're here to help if any concerns arise. What we like. With its extra-large side storage pocket and a robust 225 pounds capacity, this wagon is designed for maximum utility. If you need to carry a lot of items and want quick access to smaller essentials, this is an excellent choice for camping, shopping, or gardening. What people say. This wagon is surprisingly spacious and can hold a lot of gear, making it perfect for camping trips. The heavy-duty construction feels very durable and capable of handling rough terrain. Folding and unfolding the wagon is a breeze, which is great for quick setup and takedown. Number 3. Timber Ridge Outdoor Collapsible Wagon. This wagon boasts a robust steel frame, capable of supporting up to 225 pounds on flat ground. Its spacious interior provides ample room for all your essentials. Keep your drinks within reach with 2 convenient cup holders and store extra items in the large side pocket. It offers even more storage than other similar carts. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its large, all-terrain wheels and a precision braking system. The 360-degree rotating front wheels and adjustable handle ensure smooth, effortless movement. No assembly is needed, simply push the bottom to set it up in seconds. When not in use, it folds compactly for convenient storage in your car, garage, or closet. Purchase with peace of mind. All products come with a 1-year warranty against quality defects. We are here to assist with any issues you may encounter. What we like. This wagon stands out with its all-terrain wheels and precision braking system, ensuring smooth transport over various surfaces. If you plan on using it on challenging terrains like beaches or uneven ground, the added control and stability are invaluable. It also comes with a manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind. What people say. It is very sturdy and easy to maneuver. We put a bunch of beach towels, bags, and umbrella in it with no issues. Works on difficult terrain as promised and carries a ton while still being very maneuverable. Incredibly easy to open and close. Light. Fits easily in any vehicle. I have very unstable joints and this wagon is easy for me to pull, set up, fold down, and lift. Number 2. SONGMICS Small Collapsible Wagon UGFW909B01. This wagon is built to last with premium materials and reinforced construction. It boasts great sturdiness and can handle a significant load capacity. When not in use, it folds down effortlessly with a simple pull of the drawstring. Its compact size makes it perfect for storing in your car boot or any tight space. Weighing only 11 pounds, this wagon is incredibly easy to maneuver. The handle secures with a fastener, ensuring a stable and wobble-free experience when moving it. This cart is your perfect companion for various tasks. Use it for gardening, transporting groceries, or taking it along on your next picnic or camping adventure. It features 4 wheels, 2 of which can rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to roll it wherever you need to go. Plus, all wheels are removable and replaceable for your convenience. What we like. Boasting an impressive 400 pounds dynamic weight capacity and a lightweight design, this wagon is incredibly robust yet easy to maneuver. If you frequently haul heavy loads for gardening or camping and value both strength and portability, this model is a top contender. The option for replaceable wheels adds to its long-term value. What people say. The handle is actually tall enough for me and I am just a hair under 6 feet. The wheels and the handle all snapped into place securely during the simple assembly and are quite sturdy. It is fairly lightweight and can be carried like a briefcase when not in use. Then it easily folds out to carry my stuff. It rolls great, is easy to navigate and so far has been able to withstand whatever amount of weight I can put in a small space. Number 1. Amazon Basics Collapsible Heavy Duty Utility Wagon. Introducing the Amazon Basics Collapsible Heavy Duty Utility Wagon. It's designed to make transporting your gear easier than ever before. Whether you're heading to a sports game, setting up camp, or tending to your garden, this wagon is your reliable companion. It's also perfect for shopping trips. Don't let its collapsible design fool you. This wagon boasts an incredible 265-pound capacity, ready to handle substantial loads with ease. With generous dimensions of 27.6 by 40.9 by 20 inches, it offers ample space for all your essentials. You'll find it incredibly useful for a variety of needs. When not in use, it conveniently collapses, making storage a breeze. Its black finish adds a touch of style to its robust functionality. This heavy-duty wagon is engineered for durability and convenience. It's the perfect solution for anyone needing to move items efficiently. What we like. This wagon offers a straightforward, heavy-duty solution for your hauling needs with a solid 265-pound capacity. If you're looking for a reliable and no-frills option for general outdoor activities like camping, gardening, or shopping, this product delivers dependable performance. Its dimensions are well suited for most common uses. What people say. It is light, maneuverable, handy, and it folds up so it doesn't crowd space. The wheels turn smoothly, it's easy to set up and it's easy to fold back again. It held a cooler, a giant purse, the bag it folds up into, and 2 heavy folding lawn chairs with no problem, and was so easily and smoothly pulled along on sidewalks and grass that I could easily forget I was pulling it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.